Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, October 4, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi Alex, good morning. How are you today?
Hi David, good morning. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I am fine. Just need this coffee to wake up. Yesterday was long.
Yes, meetings can be tiring. Coffee helps a lot.
Right. It is the best part of the morning. Hey, did you hear about the government shutdown?
Yes, I saw it on the news. It started this week.
From the New York Times. They say Congress has a big deadlock.
It is tough, no funding bill passed yet.
President Trump threatens more cuts? It is controversial.
Many agencies close. Workers go without pay.
About 750,000 federal workers affected.
That is a lot. Families feel the pain.
In sales, I worry about government contracts. They slow down.
As project manager, I think projects stop. No money for new starts.
Exactly. Economy loses billions each week.
Reports say $15 billion a week. Scary?
People argue in Congress. Democrats and Republicans fight.
It shows deep divisions, hard to fix.
I read some blame one side more. What do you think?
Both sides have points. But shutdown hurts everyone.
True. Our office might see delays in approvals.
Yes, we need government help sometimes.
Hope they agree soon. Cannot last long.
I agree. Stability is key for business.
Yeah. Let us talk about something else. Did you see that crypto scam story?
Yes, in the Boston Globe, a school leader lost money.
He lost $750,000. Crazy, right?
Very shocking. He put it in a crypto investment.
Thought it was safe, but it was a scam.
Now he sues the bank. Says they did not warn him.
Banks should check better. Crypto is tricky.
Technology moves fast. People get fooled easy.
In my sales job, clients ask about crypto sometimes.
I tell them to be careful, research first.
This guy was a finalist for a superintendent job.
Now it looks bad for him. Embarrassing. Society talks more about crypto risks now.
It is controversial. Is crypto good or bad?
Both can make money, but scams happen.
I stick to regular bank savings. No risks?
Smart choice. In projects, we avoid risky tech.
Yes, he might get some money back from the suit.
Maybe, but lesson learned for all.
True. Tech news like this makes me think twice.
Me too. Let us change topic again.
Okay, what about that poll on political violence?
I saw it in the New York Times. Worrying.
More Americans think violence is okay to fix problems.
It is a record high. About 20% say yes.
Scary. Why do they feel that way?
Frustration with politics. Things do not change.
Government shutdown adds to anger, I bet.
Yes, people lose trust in leaders.
In culture, it feels like more division.
Society splits into groups. Hard to unite.
As a sales rep, I see upset customers.
In project teams, arguments happen too.
But violence solves nothing. Talk instead.
Agree, better ways to change things.
The poll shows opinions shift over years.
From 10% to 20, rising.
News makes it entertainment, but it is serious.
Yes, we need calm discussions.
Hope it does not get worse.
Me too. Focus on positive news.
Right? Anyway, time flies here at the coffee machine.
Yes, we should head to our desks.
One more thing, busy day ahead?
Very busy. Meetings all afternoon. You?
Calls with clients non-stop. But coffee break was nice.
Always is. See you later, David.
See you, Alex. Have a good day.
You too. Stay positive.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.